The time now is 3 minutes past 6 o'clock in the evening. For your safety, please remain seated until the fasten seat sign is switched off and the aircraft comes to complete stop. Please ensure all mobile phones are still off until you are in the main terminal building. Do take care when opening the overhead compartment. Before leaving the aircraft, please check that you have all your hand luggage with you. It was a pleasure having you on board and we hope to see you again soon. If you need any assistance upon arrival, please contact our ground staff. On behalf of Captain Ahmad Kamil and First Officer Ilya Akila, thank you for flying with Asia and have a blessed evening.
Saudara perempuan, kita telah mendarat dalam ayam terbang Changi, Singapura. Untuk keselamatan anda diminta terus berada di tempat duduk sehingga pesawat ini telah berhenti sepenuhnya dan tanda isyarat pasangan tali geledak telah pun dipadamkan. Anda hanya boleh menggunakan telefon bimbit di dalam bangunan terminal. Berhati-hati ketika membuka ruang penyimpanan di atas dan sebelum meninggalkan pesawat, pastikan barang-barang anda dibawa bersama. Kami merasa bangga bersama anda di sepanjang penerbangan ini dan diharap kita akan berjumpa lagi. Jika anda memerlukan sebarang bantuan semasa ketibaan, sila berhubung dengan kaki tangan kami. Terima kasih kerana memilih penerbangan AirAsia dan salam hormat. Tanda perempuan ini adalah pengumuman khas. Sila maklum bahawa mengedar dan membawa dada di Singapura adalah satu kesalahan berat yang membawa hukuman mati mandatory. Terima kasih.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a special announcement. Trafficking of dangerous drugs into Singapore is a very serious offense which carries a mandatory sentence. If you are carrying any knife, sword, toy gun, gun-shaped lighters, handcuffs, empty bullets, or knuckle duster, please declare it to the immigration or customs officers when you disembark. These items are prohibited under Singapore law and may require a license. If you are not sure whether the items you have are prohibited, please declare it so that the immigration or customs officers may advise you. Please also ensure you have completed your immigration card. For your information, the flight number is 8709. Thank you.